My name is Gretchen Gronke and I live in Mancos, Colorado. I work for Mancos Food Share and the Mount Lookout Grange. Hunger exists in our communities and I believe it doesn't have to. So I want to talk a little bit about what's happening to address hunger currently. So one way that we address hunger is through a food bank. And the food bank system is designed to rescue food that would otherwise go in the trash, and that food gets delivered back up to the food pantries. All our food comes from somewhere else, so we're in a system of dependency. We depend on these trucks to feed the people in our community. And what I see happening is that really quickly, the need outweighs the resources. And so since the need outweighs the resources, we're coming from a place of lack. We don't have what we need within our own community. Hunger continues to exist within our own community. The folks that go hungry continue to go hungry, and they have just enough to get by. It's a system based on survival. But here in Mancos, we're not interested in just survival, we're interested in thriving. So I want to propose a different way of looking at the problem of hunger. And I want to look at hunger through the lens of abundance. I want to look at hunger through the lens of abundance. Because when we have more than enough in our communities, there's no place for people to go hungry. And I believe what that takes is ownership over our food supply. So here in Mancos, our community is working towards this story of abundance. And here at Mount Lookout Grange, we have an opportunity to take one more step forward. We can expand our kitchen and create a commercial kitchen. A commercial kitchen addresses this issue of abundance in many ways because we're able to store food, to process and preserve food, and to educate community members. And the other thing we'd like to add here is a storage space, a food pantry, so we can create access to folks who are dealing with hunger and storage for the food that we process and preserve. Fresh food is the best food. And we want to produce this food locally because then we know what's in it, we know where it came from, and we know how the land was treated. So I'm talking about farms and gardens. So the food that's produced on the farms and gardens is preserved and processed and put into storage, and we create access to good food. Through education, we're able to better utilize what's produced in our area and create better outcomes in terms of health and economics. This commercial kitchen gives us the ability to have education, to hold classes. Through the food pantry, we're able to create greater access to good food because we have a place to process and preserve food, we have a place to store food, and now we have a place to distribute food. It's one small step. It's just a kitchen and a pantry. And it's a big step in terms of abundance. It's a big step in what it takes to create ownership over our food system. By adding a commercial kitchen and a food pantry onto this building, we'll create space for education, for startup businesses, for food processing and preservation, for food storage, and to generate community resiliency. And why are we doing all this? Because everyone eats. And we want good food to be our foundation, and we want everybody to be at the table.